for cooking.
Now it's the makeup time.
Yeah, makeup time for cooking.
Always before cooking.
Yeah, if I not make up, I will not cook delicious.
ล่องลอยเล่นน้ำคลองลอยลงทานแสนชื่นบานหอมกลิ่นดอกมันปลาแล่เล่นเพลนเสียงแค้นดังแววมาตรงตรงติตะเสียงพินนานาดังมาแต่ฝากตรงเด้อกันแจ้งแสงดาวลับลงพระองค์คือทอดพี่ชายเดือกดื่นลายเว
Ta-da! Ready to cook?
Yes,
What
ready
do-
to cook.
What do you cook tonight?
I cook a mango sticky rice, and then I cook like a eggplant, fried eggplant with tofu, and then I make another one, glass noodle salad.
Ah. What's the name in Thai?
Yam woon sen.
Yam Hun Sen.
Yam woon sen.
Okay.
And ผัดมะเขือ
Maqueroau.
มะเขือผัดไข่มะเขือเขือ
What is this?
the one he chop and I make mango salad
Okay.
ยำมะม่วง
Yam Mamon.
yes
Okay.
okay
Let's
bye
go.
bye go to see him go to see him go to see him I steal something okay
Let me take one.
ลืมเอาปากไว้ที่ผู้เพิ่มนะกันโอเคown style you can do you want to try one time
Yes. I
Cook.
want. But what do you do with this?
fry
Ah, fry.
okay you try to make my plan oh don't let burn นะ this one called patu
Patou.
หนึ่งสองสาม
Six.
กระทูสี่ห้าหก enough for people to fry Ingin or not yet? Okay. I stingy people. I will keep the red for my cat. For my cat. This you can eat with the fish. I make a Miang Pla Too นะคะขนมจีนพีดเมี่ยงปลาทูปิบโอ้นะyou can not too much long because if long is yeah I show you this like this because that already fried
Making a documentary series.
What do you do?
Fried noodle.
Oh, what is this?
Fried noodle. Next. Fried noodle. Yeah. That is my noodle.
What?
Put the oil. Put the egg in the big pan. mix. You make a mix together. And then carrot. This one. Today I have the people here. My mom loves to cook for me very much. This one.
This your mom cook this for you?
Like a noodle salad.
Noodle salad?
Yeah, with chicken. Not spicy.
Your mom, she's a good cooker?
Oh my God, she very good cooker.
Very, very, very good.
Yeah, more than me.
Ah, she teach you a little bit?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's her name?
No one.
Mon?
No.
Big.
Big hand.
What's the name of the vegetable?
Maquereau.
Maquereau. Maquereau.
Mountain.
This for the salad?
Yeah, chicken salad. I not do too much, okay? I believe you. If not enough, you must to have the possibility.
If not too much, it's my fault.
Your fault, like you say. Your fault. Sugar. Ba.
Oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar,
Garlic.
garlic.
That's it.
That's it? Mm.
3 or 4. Cleaning. Don't want the people have egg.
Now, fast
Now,
mode.
Fast. The first one, this vegan.
This fried tofu.
Yeah, no, this like noodle. For the noodle, vegan. Vegan.
The name in Thai?
Pad mama. Pad mama.
Oh, this you put the chicken inside.
Yeah.
Chicken, onion,
You want this one?
cabbage.
For cooking, I don't know where, but now I feel like fun. I will make this pot. Can you help me? Make it.
Yes.
Okay. Quite done. Quite done. Okay, have this one. Quite done.
So useful.
What is this?
My mom chili.
Your mom chili.
Oh my God. C'est bon?
C'est bon.
Can make this no problem. Okay, I eat Miang Pla Too, and this put vegetable here, one frit there, and then the noodle. Okay, and then the sauce. Then we make together. Open your mouth.
How do you say very good in Thai?
อร่อยมากๆลำแต่
Yes.
My language ลำแต่
Amazing.
อยากชื่นเชยชวนนัวน้องแนบใจลักยิ้มนั้นพิมพ์ใจหนักคุณไปโฉกรัก